I'm coming to you now, sir. I've asked him why Amir Khan and why Kiara Advani. It's not. Can I, sir, use your mic? I think it's been said to.
Has to be some to improve the voice quality, right? Yeah.
This was my mic, sir. Actually,
No, actually, we need a monitor here,
Yes.
which we don't. I don't think we have.
The monitors are, sir, placed
So it's a little
behind us.
difficult to hear because it's bouncing and coming.
जी, monitor उधर है, sir.
Ah,
तभी, जी.
okay, that's better.
So, sir, it is not very often that we see you put your weight behind a brand and its philosophy. But you've chosen to come on board as brand ambassador for AU Small Finance Bank and put your weight behind our brand, our philosophy, our people, and our organization. What made you take this decision, sir?
Well, actually, in the first meeting itself, जब मैं पहली बार मिला संजय जी से, तो दो चीज़ें हुई. एक तो जब जैसे मुझे पता चला इनकी जर्नी के बारे में और किस तरह बैंक शुरू हुआ और कैसे ये आगे बढ़े, तो वो कहानी ही मुझे बहुत इंस्पायरिंग लगी. और जब मैंने देखा कि इनका क्या फंडा है लाइफ में, तो मुझे एक चीज़ बहुत अच्छी लगी कि जो भी एक बैंकिंग के जो प्रथाएं होती हैं जो चली आ रही हैं, लेकिन उसमें कभी कभी कुछ लॉजिक नहीं होता. हो सकता है कुछ साल पहले उनका लॉजिक हो, अब नहीं है. तो संजय जी और उनकी टीम जो है वो इन सारी चीज़ों को चैलेंज करने में फॉर बेटर सर्विस फॉर पीपल, they are leading in that, in fact, I would say. तो जो कदम आपने लिए, मुझे लगा कि यार ये बहुत सही दिशा में जा रहे हैं ये लोग. और इसके अलावा मुझे संजय जी बहुत पसंद है. एक्चुअली मैं आपको बताऊं, मैं इंसानों से जुड़ता हूं.
Correct.
तो जब आप इंसान सही चुनते हैं तो फिर वो काम उसका सही होता है.
जी.
तो एक कनेक्शन होता है.
I know what
I
you
think
mean.
हमारा कनेक्शन जुड़ गया आपकी टीम के साथ. आपकी जो एजेंसी है वो बड़ी अच्छी काबिल टीम है, आपकी मार्केटिंग टीम बहुत अच्छी है. तो वी काइंड ऑफ क्लिक्ड, ऑल ऑफ अस क्लिक्ड टुगेदर एंड इट जस्ट हैपेंड. तो आई थिंक आई एम रियली, एंड कैंपेन में शूट करने में भी बड़ा मजा आया हम लोगों को. इट वाज अ वंडरफुल एक्सपीरियंस वर्किंग विद कियारा फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम. या
Kiara, I'm coming to you now. I was told that you signed on the dotted line really fast, and we're really happy to come on board. What made you decide to come on board as brand ambassador?
Well, firstly, a very good evening to everyone, and apologies for my little mask fiasco over there. I'm sorry to the media who didn't get their image. We'll surely take a picture after.
उनकी बाली का डिजाइन बड़ा अच्छा है. बड़ा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड है. मतलब एक दफा उसमें कोई चीज़ अटक जाए निकलेगी नहीं.
Thank you, sir, for helping me with that. So I'm going to go back a little bit.
Yes.
I remember at the time when the brand came to me, I was, as you know, I've just started off my career about 5-6 years it's been in the industry, and I've just started earning my own money and understanding my finances. And I would always rely on my father to do all my banking. Anything, leave it to my dad. I had no idea about my bank or what I was doing or anything. And it was first the thought behind the campaign which connected with me. Badlav humse hai. I think I believe in that completely. Change is the only thing constant, and it should begin, we make that change. And that really connected with me. And then sitting with the team, with Sanjay sir, and understanding how the bank has pushed the envelope and made it so consumer friendly. It's so easy for people like me, my generation, to, everything's literally a click on your phone.
Yes.
And the services that they're offering, from monthly interest plans to every single thing, the AU 0101 app, everything just connected with me in a way that I felt like this is what I need. And if I need this, then I want to be a part of this and go ahead. And then, of course, the cherry on the icing was to work with Amir sir and Nitesh sir.
Absolutely. I bet it was.
So I can truly say it has been like one big family. We've
Yes.
come together, everyone with the same ideologies, and here we are.
Wonderful. It's wonderful to have you on board, really.
Thank you. My pleasure.